Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Measure your ingredients precisely. 2 cups fruit juice, 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon agar powder, and 1/2 cup sugar for a medium batch. Pour 1 cup cool water into a small bowl and sprinkle the 1 tablespoon agar powder over the surface. Let it bloom undisturbed for 5 minutes so the granules hydrate. While the agar blooms, prepare the juice by straining out pulp and add 1 teaspoon lemon juice, plus a pinch of salt to brighten the flavor and adjust acidity. Transfer the bloomed agar and its water into a saucepan and heat gently, stirring constantly until the agar fully dissolves and the liquid reaches a rolling boil. Add the 2 cups strained fruit juice and 1/2 cup sugar to the dissolved agar, stir to combine, and return the mixture to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to activate the gelling properties. Skim foam with a spoon, taste for sweetness, and adjust with a touch more sugar or 1 teaspoon lemon juice if needed. Immediately pour the hot jelly through a fine sieve into prepared molds or a shallow pan to remove any undissolved bits and foam. Fill each mold, leaving a few millimeters headspace. Let the molds cool on the counter until no longer hot, about 30 to 60 minutes, then transfer to the refrigerator and chill for 1 to 2 hours until firmly set. Agar sets at room temperature, but refrigerating speeds and firms the texture. Store finished jelly in an airtight container for up to 7 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.